Operating system. Operating system is a software that enables computer to understand the computer components, the commands given by the user. It is the operating system only which works as an interface between the computer hardware and the user. From the beginning till now, there are many operating systems that have been used, but the most popular and common operating systems are MS-DOS, MS Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and BOS. Bharat Operating System Solutions or BOS is the latest free-to-use operating system made in India. However, Windows is most popular operating system. MS Windows 2010. In 1994, Microsoft first introduced an operating environment named Windows in response to the growing interest in graphical user interfaces or GUIs. Windows 10 is the latest and most popularly used version of the Windows operating system, introduced by Microsoft in 2015 for use on personal computer or PC, laptop, and notebook. Windows is an operating system which enables the user to interact with the computer, providing more ways to interact than typing. It is a set of programs that provides a user-friendly platform GUI and helps to operate a computer. A graphical user interface or GUI offers graphical icons and visual indicators. The actions are usually performed through direct manipulation of the graphical elements. There are different types of operating systems like Microsoft Windows, MS-DOS, Unix, Linux, Mac OS, etc. Starting up or booting. When you switch on the computer, you see the Windows 10 startup screen. The loading wheel indicates that Windows 10 is preparing the startup sequence or boot process. The first thing it presents you is the user account or logon screen. Select your user account and type the password and press Enter key or click on the arrow button. You will then see the welcome screen. Your personal settings are being set up. This means Windows 10 will use your chosen background picture, color scheme, and arrange the desktop icons the way you left them last time. The startup list. At this time, the startup list is also being launched. The startup list contains a list of apps or programs that need to be started before the desktop appears. Antivirus programs, printer programs, and Microsoft Office are examples of this list. Desktop. When we switch on the computer, the first screen that appears after loading the Windows operating system is called the desktop screen, or simply desktop. It is the work area on which objects like icons, menus, windows, and dialog boxes appear. The desktop is made up of 5 sections: desktop icons, start button, active taskbar, the middle taskbar, notification area. Desktop icons. Icon is a small labeled picture or symbol that represents a program, a file, or a folder in the same way as your school bag has various books with a label over each book, displaying the name of the subject. We can also add shortcuts on the desktop for files or folders that we frequently use. Icons are labeled with the name of the program or document it executes. To open any program or file, just double-click on the icon. The most common types of icons on the desktop are as follows: Username, folder, network, Microsoft Edge. This PC, recycle bin. The rest of the desktop is made up of the other 4 items, which are joined together to make one standard bar at the bottom of the screen. Start button. It is displayed at the lower left corner. This is used to display apps or programs, open apps or programs, change the setting, shut down the computer. Quick Launch Toolbar or Active Taskbar. The Quick Launch Toolbar, called Active Taskbar, is located on the taskbar when added and is a convenient way to open apps or programs. You can add or remove shortcuts in the Quick Launch folder to have easy access from the Quick Launch toolbar that you frequently use. The taskbar or middle. Whenever a new task, that is apps or program, is opened, its window leaves an icon on the taskbar to let you know it is still running. For example, the Windows Fax icon on the taskbar allows you to know that Windows Fax is still running. When a task is closed, its taskbar icon disappears to let you know the task has closed and is no longer running. Caution: always use a genuine operating system. The pirated one can damage your computer and make you in trouble for legal actions against you. Notification area. The notification area is similar to the task or quick launch toolbar, except that it is aiming at managing programs that don't normally need launching manually. These types of programs have usually launched themselves already during the startup of Windows 10. For example, antivirus, broadband, the printer, and so on. If needed, they warn you by sending notification, that is pop-up message. Selecting and deselecting the icons. To select an icon, click once on it and you will see that its color changes to blue. To deselect an icon, click anywhere on the screen. The selected icon will come back to its original color. Moving the desktop icons. Move the mouse pointer over the icon you want to move. Left click on the icon and drag it to a new place. Release the mouse button. Changing the desktop background. The desktop background or wallpaper is a picture, color, or design on the desktop. Do you want to change the look of your desktop? Well, it is easy. Just follow these simple steps. Right-click anywhere on the desktop away from the icons. A pop-up menu will open. Select Personalize. The personalization dialog box will appear. Click on Background option. Choose your picture and click on it. Desktop background or wallpaper will appear on the monitor. You have done it. The wallpaper is changed as per your choice. Changing the screensaver. A screensaver is a picture or animation that appears on the screen when you don't use the mouse or keyboard for a set period of time. You can choose from a variety of Windows 10 screensavers. To change the screensaver, follow these simple steps. Right-click anywhere on the desktop away from the icons. Select Personalize. Click on Lock Screen option. Scroll down the lock screen settings and click on Screensaver Settings. By default, Windows 10 offers 6 screensavers. Select the screensaver from the drop-down menu and change its default settings if required. Click OK to save your changes. To stop a screensaver and return to the keyboard, move your mouse or press any key on the keyboard.